In today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step framework that I've been implementing for a very particular chiropractor client of mine in order to significantly increase their sales and revenue for their medium-sized business. Now, it doesn't matter the vertical. It could be small business, medium business, large business. If you want to utilize video marketing, I'm going to share with you a tried and true video marketing strategy that I guarantee will help your business out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing is you're going to need a data set. All right. So that's step number one, is a data set. For this instance, I'm using SEMrush. It's one of my favorite tools. The next thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a Google Ads account. Okay. You're going to need a Google Ads account. So for me, I have a Google Ads account that I just set up just for this video so I can share with you, because I can't take you into the client's website. All right. Now, so you're gonna need your account, and you're also going to need your data set. Now, on top of that, you're also going to need a YouTube channel. The YouTube channel needs to be based on your brand, your business, your service. Okay. Whatever it is, you need to make a branded entity that's attached to your business. You should already have this. This is just good overall marketing for any business in 2021. All right. So YouTube, a Google ad account, and also SEMrush or any other equivalent tool, if there is such a thing as an equivalent to SEMrush. I don't know, right? So with that being said, and with that out of the way, we're going to take our example keyword, which is going to be roofer near me. Now, I shared the first step of the strategy in a previous video. I'm going to walk you through the entire framework right now of how this will work. So we're going to do our seed set. Roofer near me is going to be one seed set. The example, this vertical, but you could put in anything. This could say chiropractor. This could say plumber. This could say doctor. This could say SEO. It could say anything. The very first thing is we put that inside of here, right here inside of this tool. The next step is we want to set some advanced filtering. Now, these advanced filters are going to be based upon video results. So for SEMrush, they have two ways to filter this. I'm looking for A, a video result, and B, a video carousel result. Now, in this instance for roofer near me, I have 224 types of videos that I can go out and create. Now, I'm not an affiliate, but for my client, I utilize a specific tool called Video Spin Blaster Pro. It's a $40 tool. I'm not an affiliate. It's just something that I use to crank out videos very quickly. With that being said, we have our tools. We make our 224 videos. We post them periodically, 3 per week on a consistent basis, targeting all of the keywords that have a video result so we can start generating data. Data for what, Chris, you ask? Well, I'm going to walk you through that right now. So now that we have our Google Ads account, our YouTube channel, and we have our keyword data, and we've already made our videos and we're posting them, we need to go ahead and finalize this step so we can start accruing some data, so we can start serving some ads to very select people that are already interested in our product, business, service, so we can let them get to know us, build some trust with our brand, right? Trust equals sales. I'm sure you're well aware. So let's go ahead and move forward. So we're inside our Google Ads account. Now, they've gotten a little tricky over time, right? Now, again, I just went in and just set this up literally for this video so I could share this with you. I can't take you into the other accounts. I can take you into mine though, no problem. So inside of here, there's a lot of different features, but I'm sharing with you one particular section that you need to master. I promise this section is the most important section inside of here. Now, when you come up here to tools, as you can see here, you're going to click on tools. Inside of tools, what you're looking for is the audience manager. All right. This is where all the magic happens. I'm going to make some other videos, a lot of videos, talking about PPC and utilizing strategies. But this is where we used to be able to set up the in-stream ads based on Google search. Now, they've changed this and they've hidden this, but we'll talk about that in another video. But let's keep going here. So this inside of here, what we're going to do is there's remarketing, custom audience, and combined audiences. Now, I just went in and set this up just for this video, but I want you to take a look at audience sources. Inside of audience sources, you're going to have a magnitude of different things. Now, there's two that you're going to want to utilize for this massive strategy, this video marketing strategy. One of them is going to be the Google Analytics. You can put in the Google Ads, but we want to put the tags, that's this, and Analytics, of course, you can put is onto the actual website. I also want to point out the Ads Hub Studio, but let me stick on track here. The next piece that I want you to do is that YouTube account that you have created for your brand or business, you need to attach it, okay? Attach that YouTube account where you've created the 224 videos based on the keywords that are very precise to your brand or business that we're trying to market. Attach that inside of here. Like if you come inside of here, this YouTube, I thought I'd be able to go in here. I've attached this. This YouTube section was right here. All you have to do is link the YouTube account to the ads account. Okay, now all of the data, anybody that watches your video, anybody that clicks on your video, anybody that searches your video on YouTube or finds it out in the SERP, we're going to be collecting data on them and being able to create custom lookalike audiences. I know that's Facebook terminology, but we're able to collect that data, get in front of not only those customers, but customers that are very equivalent to these customers. Okay, now this is the same thing for turning on your ads tag, all right, and putting that onto your website. Anybody that comes, we need to start collecting that data. Collect the data so we can remarket to not only those people, but also people that are like them. Very, very important. The main video marketing strategy that I wanted to share with you today, to break it all down, to recap what we just did here, is having not only a YouTube account that's branded, but having a tool to do searches based on video results. We create videos at scale. You could create 224 videos right now with this tool I recommended in less than a half hour. Literally, you could do a voiceover, make some really cool photos, stack them all up, make a video that's about 4 minutes long, crank out 224 videos right now, go into YouTube and schedule them out 4 a week, 3 a week, 5 a week, 7 a week, 1 a day, targeting all of these keywords. The next step after that, we have the branded YouTube, we've created the videos, we're targeting the right keywords. You're going to attach the YouTube account, the YouTube video, and I want you to note this, embedding the video on other sites and having people click on it, that counts. Embedding that video inside and have somebody click on it, that's gonna count. Having this Google Ads tag on your actual website, that's gathering data as well. You need to get as much data as possible. Again, we want to retarget, remarket to the people that saw it. On top of that, we want to be able to create our own custom audience. My name is Chris Palmer. I hope that this is helpful for you, your small business, your local business, your medium business, your business. If you have any questions about local business marketing, small business marketing, medium business marketing, video marketing, SEO, digital marketing, or need internet marketing services, ask about it in the comments below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next How to Utilize Video Marketing to Increase Your Sales for Your Local Business video. Have a wonderful day.